I didn't realize that alcohol could be so drying to my skin and actually be making the testing more painful. Silly me, I guess I was just trying to get all the alcohol I could on my skin since I can't drink any right now.
So now that we've talked about the proper testing sites and how to help minimize the pain associated with testing, what questions do you have at this time?
Right now I don't have any questions.
Okay, so we have our meter ready, and the next thing that we need to do is we need to clean the testing site. So we're going to clean with an alcohol wipe like this, or at home. If you're at home, then you can just use the warm soapy water. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to lance the finger. So we're going to stick on the blue cap since we're going to be testing on our finger, and we're going to lance just like this. Okay, the next thing that we want to do is we want to squeeze to get an adequate sample of blood, and we're going to touch the meter to the blood like this to get enough of a sample and wait for the meter to read the glucose. In this case, mine says that it's 110. So I just want to make sure that you understand the differences involved when testing your finger versus testing an alternative site. So could you explain the differences to me, please?
Okay, so when I'm testing my finger, I'm going to use the blue cap, and when I'm testing an alternative site, I'm going to use the clear cap. And then after lancing my finger, I'm going to squeeze it a little bit to get some blood out and wait for the device to beep and give me my reading.
Okay, so the last thing we want to do is if there's any blood on your finger, we just want to put on a gauze pad to get any excess blood, and we'll discard all of this material like this into the sharps container. Okay, with that, what questions do you have for me?
So right now I don't have any questions.
Okay, so sometimes people ask me what to do if there's no sharps container at home. So what you could do is you could use an empty laundry detergent container. So what you'll do is you'll just take the empty laundry detergent container and you'll write on it, do not recycle, and when it's full you'll just seal it with duct tape, and then you can just discard of all of your sharps materials that way. So if you have any other questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I will contact your doctor and let her know about our discussion today so she can check to see how you're doing at your next visit.
Okay, I was actually wondering how I could get rid of my lancets at home, so I'm glad that you brought that point up because I seem to have forgotten to ask you that.
Great, I'm glad I could help.